Welcome to EZLOGZ. This video is part of a series of training videos with helpful and in-depth information on our products. Find out how EZLOGZ can increase your fleet performance and save money. Accept driver to fleet. Enter the Safety menu and the User submenu. A list of fleet join requests appears in the center. Opposite the invited driver, click on the 3 vertical dots on the right side and select the Accept command. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please get in touch with our support, which is available 24/7.